number of positive cases from coronavirus there continues to rise in India.
Maharashtra with the largest number of positive cases. As the battle against the deadly coronavirus continues,
Eyes of Darkness is a thriller fiction novel written by American writer Dean Koontz, released in the year 1981. Since the onset of coronavirus, this book has been in news due to several conspiracy theories. Did Dean Koontz predict the coronavirus pandemic in the year 1981? In 2019, it drew parallels to the novel's Wuhan 400 bioweapon, eerily predicting the Chinese city where COVID-19 would emerge. But the similarities end there. Talking about predicting coronavirus, Bill Gates' TEDx talk from the year 2015 seems like an early warning to the world to prepare for the next outbreak.
Today, the greatest risk of global catastrophe doesn't look like this. Instead, it looks like this. If anything kills over 10 million people in the next few decades, it's most likely to be a highly infectious virus rather than a war.
In this talk, Bill Gates highlights how we are worried about a nuclear war, while today we are at a greater risk of global catastrophe from a highly infectious virus.
We have invested a huge amount in nuclear deterrence, but we've actually invested very little in a system to stop an epidemic. We're not ready for the next epidemic.
The talk highlights how we are not ready for the next epidemic and how weak our medical system is. In the wake of rise of coronavirus and current world count at over 120,000, the points raised in this talk makes us realize how unaware have we been towards preparing ourselves for a global pandemic. In spite of the spread of Ebola, Zika, SARS in the past, why are we at the forefront of a pandemic that's slowly capturing the entire world? Artificial intelligence probably is the biggest bet in tracing the path of this virus and predicting its outbreak. Imagine the algorithms that can read through zettabytes of data collected from the infected areas and give real-time insights. Tech giants like Baidu, Alibaba are already at the forefront of the war by providing their expertise to the fight against COVID-19. In the wake of world's attempt to prepare for the corona outbreak, Baidu's AI team has released a tool, LinearFold, to reduce 2019 nCoV prediction time from 55 minutes to 27 seconds. With Baidu's LinearFold, claimed by the researchers, it takes 27 seconds to analyze the structural information of the virus. This efficiency is crucial for understanding the virus and developing its vaccine. The 2019 nCoV belongs to a family of enveloped coronaviruses that are single-stranded RNA viruses, such as HIV, Ebola, and influenza, which mutate faster and make vaccine development more difficult. Alibaba has recently claimed that its new AI system can detect coronavirus in CT scans of patients' chest with 96% accuracy against viral pneumonia cases. Its founder Jack Ma has also announced that his foundation will be donating $2.15 million for developing the vaccine. And the company Blue Dot, a Toronto-based health surveillance company launched in 2014, has also contributed by gathering disease data from online sources and then using airline flight information to make predictions about where infectious diseases may appear next. John Brownstein, Chief Innovation Officer at Boston Children's Hospital and a professor at Harvard Medical School, and his team have built in a tool called HealthMap that gathers information from the US Centers for Disease Control and Prevention and the World Health Organization to provide the real-time data of the positive cases of COVID across the world. The project's data is being used by researchers and governments all over the world. While the first vaccine for COVID-19 still has a long way to go before it's available for clinical trials, artificial intelligence is slowly helping us closing the gap on fighting the coronavirus.